Hey there, YouTube, it's Justin the Junkie. How the fuck are you guys doing today?
Are you ready?
So today, this is the first chip video. I am super excited. I finally got the mill all set up. We're ready to run some parts. Now, the first thing that we're going to make is we're going to make some leveling feet for the new Milwaukee toolbox I got. Alrighty, I got one set up all in the mill right now. Right now, we're going to in-mill the thing to get it square. Then we're going to drill some holes and some stuff like that for the mounting brackets. You know, the leveling feet that I got from McMaster Car. So I thought I'd bring you guys along on the first chips. Fucking hell yeah. Let me get out. You know, because when you're working in the shop, you got to think safety first, fellas. So you got to get your glasses on. We got to be looking good. Shop safety. Remember running a mill, no gloves. That's what I was told. And you can see that, yeah, I foobarred these a little bit. But when you got a mill, you can make anything fucking square. So let's pull over here to the mill. I'll show you what I got going on and kind of show you the first piece. What I did is I got me a line scribed on here. Okay, we're going to get the mill fired up. Hopefully you can see this. I'll probably move you around over here. So this is our first thing. This is where our layout's going to go there. Our leveling feet is going to come over here. Now these are 9 inches. The reason I made them 9 inches is because I want to be able to swing the rollers in case you ever have to move the fucking thing. So I got me zeroed out on the x-axis. Here we're gonna, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna lock that down. We're gonna lock the knee in to position. Now we're gonna get ready and fire the mill up. That looks to be running pretty good. We're gonna turn this down to about 1400 here. Get some oil on this. Come in about 400 thousandths here. All right, we're gonna lock that down. All right, now we're gonna start milling. I'm gonna stay out of here, out of the way. Oh, fuck yeah. Definitely not fucking square. So I'm just slowly feeding this thing in. Holy shit, we got shit flying everywhere. Just keep feeding it in here. We're just trying to square up this. That's what I'm saying. This thing is fucking fucked up. I got that black line drew on there just as a reference. So we'll come back here. We should have put the roughing in mill on this motherfucker, because we got to come in a lot. All right, we're going to come in another, come in 794, see what we got there. You get to oil your shit. Because I'm going to tell you what, these end mills are fucking expensive. Well, I probably got this going the wrong way because all the chips are hitting me, but fuck it. A little smoky. Alright. Oh yeah. A little bit of a cut there, but we're going all right. It's like they come back pretty quick to give it this nice finished. All right, let's see what we got here. We're gonna come in another 100,000s here. Oh, this looks so good. And now we're right on that line. All right. Now let's see what we got here. 9 inches there. Oh. 9 inches there. Perfect. We are perfectly square. So now that we got that, alrighty, what I'm going to do is I'm going to square all these up, get them all laid out, and then we only have to, we don't have to keep switching the drill bits here, or, switching the mill around and all that stuff. So what we'll do is we'll get it cut here right away. All right, we're just going to square all these up. When I get them all squared up, I'll come back. I'll show you a little bit more of it here. Alrighty, we got everything milled down to 8 inches. Now what we're doing here is I am center punching these holes right here so we can get, if this thing would stop fucking moving, we can have these on there and we could square them up because I'm going to put the wheels back on there, if you get what I'm saying. So if you ever have to drop it down, all right. Now this, we want, this is obviously the one that doesn't swivel. So what we are going to do here is get out our square. I know that this square, I think, is 1 inch here. Yep. So I'm going to move this in. I'm going to put a mark at 2 1/8. So I'm going to kind of eye this up about 1 inch over, get it square. All right, there's where we're going to put this one. All right, then what we got to do is lay all these out. So, and then we will center drill and then start drilling holes. So I got one more to lay out here. And then we got to pick drill bits. All right. Now this one is where it gets a little tricky. Let me get all this shit out of the fucking way here. So I made these plates a little bit wider, like when I bought my material, you know. All right, now this one, see, like I want it to be where this still pivots all the way around. So I'm going to put a mark right here in the center, kinda, and I'm going to use this as a gauge, if you will, here. So we obviously want to be, there's 2 1/8. Okay, so we know we want it right there. Oh man, I was almost dead center on that motherfucker. right in there. All right, so we got the layout done here. What we're going to do is we're going to do these first, the kind of the fucked up ones here, and then we will do the easier ones next. So let's get back over to the mill. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and center drill all these. Going to turn the speed down. Doesn't need to be turning this fast. On there. I'm using the number 4 center bit. All right, now we know that if we come over, we should be in line with this one. Might not have to move it as much. Oh, we're a little off. There we go. This is so much better than the Milwaukee's. I can tell you that. All right. Now what we should do is be able to come over and we'll see if we kind of got this thing square here. There we go. Perfect. All right, now we got to come back. Perfect. All of those chips out of there. Now we will come over and do this one. Okay. Now what we got to do is obviously lower the table quite a bit, and we will just drill these holes in there. So I'm going to be using an 8mm drill bit here. Because for some reason, Milwaukee uses 8mm drill bits or 8mm fasteners. Don't ask me why. You know, well, I know why. It's made in fucking China. I'm gonna bring this up just fucking cut hair. All right, now we should be in the center of that hole because we ain't moved nothing. Oh, nope, this is the wrong one. That's got to be 1/2 inch. Make sure I don't run into the parallels. Blow that out. Milling machines are awesome. I know it looks like a, I'm just still learning how to use this machine. Like today was the first time that I've turned it on and tried to cut anything. I'm just super excited that I got the machine trammed in square and all that stuff. We probably could have referenced these with the DRM or the DRO, but I don't know how to use that thing quite yet. Break that damn chip off there. Close enough for the girls that I go out with, guys. Look at that chip, dude. That's fucking awesome. Might have to slow-mo this bitch. All right, let's drill this. Alrighty, we got our holes drilled. Let's blow this thing off. Alright, now let's chamfer these things. I got a bird in the shop. I don't know how in the hell that happened. We'll just come in here, deburr that. It's totally not centered, but alrighty, that's one plate down. Alrighty, I got it deburred. What I'm going to do is I'm going to finish out the rest of these the same way that I did this one. I might play around with the reference thing, but then what we'll do is after that I'll show you how I'm going to bolt all this stuff on, and we will go from there and get this thing level. Alrighty, I got our finished brackets all done here. What I'm going to do is get these bolted on there. I already got one bolted on. This is for the back legs with the non-swiveling one, and this is for the casters. You can see we got these things all machined down real nice and neat. I deburred them. I got all the holes drilled and deburred those. So now I'm just putting this thing on it, and then once we get it level and all that stuff, we're going to use the granite surface plate to kind of level the thing. We'll use this top, and then we'll check the granite surface plate to see if our leveling system worked. Hopefully I got enough height. I might have to lower it down and roll it around a little bit to get it in a better spot. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed me using the mill. This is the first project. We're going to have some more coming up. So, alrighty. Yes, that's about it. Let me get these things bolted on and we'll check it out. I got the leveling feet on it. I had to take the wheels off because I bought 6-inch levelers and this floor is off more than 6 fucking inches over here. So we took the feet off. So we had to take the wheels off. We got it into where we wanted to go. Right now it's about 10 thousandths out of level. I'm going to come in tomorrow morning and fix it. I'm just a little tired right now. You just got to stop. It's just too frustrating right now. So anyway, the Milwaukee box is sitting up there level. I'm still waiting on the drawer slides, but I hope you guys enjoyed this first chip video. I had fun with it. We had some chips flying everywhere and shit like that. This is my first time using a milling machine in probably like 7 years. So I did a little bit of stuff with it. I'm not a great machinist. I'm just a guy trying to teach myself how to be a machinist. There's some stuff that I got to work on, but the only way you're going to do that is to get better is to fucking keep doing projects. So I got one more thing to do. Also, guys, check out the Patreon account. Check out the snaponjunkie.com. I put all the shirts on sale. The t-shirts are 18 bucks. The hoodies are $38 for whatever size you want. Ship anywhere in the country, whatever. Fucking trying to get rid of that stuff so I can buy some more tools for the mill. So any of that would appreciate. Also, go to Teespring. I'll put a link into the description. The Snap-on Collectors site on Facebook, me and Joel, we have a t-shirt campaign running the whole month of January on that. Go check that out. Like always, guys, check out Instagram, Facebook, all the other bullshit. And like always, thanks for watching, and I gotta fucking go.